this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with another haul. This one's from Tailored Expressions. So if you go to Tailored Expressions website, their shopping site, then you will see like their retirement sale. They're still going on. They have a lot of really good things left. So I'm going to try to tell you about how much I paid for each item because it's a pretty good deal. Put this on my lap. Okay, first, my invoice came in a pretty red envelope. And then it says, our gift to you. Let's see what's in here. Oh, fun. So it gave us a little die. It says hello. Does it say hello? Yes, it says hello. Can't read upside down. But yes, it's a hello die. So that's really cute. I'm excited about that. And then let's get into the planner stamps, which obviously some of them are plannery and some of them are, you can use for different things. You can always use them for different things. I might have this one. I feel like I might have this one. If I do, then it'll go in either a de-stash or a giveaway. These ones were $6. $6. Normally, I want to say $15 normally, but they were $6. So it's a clearly planned. This one is like a sports activity one. So like my son does baseball. We got after school stuff, game day, champion. Those are things that I would use a lot. Dance. I don't know if they have anything. Practice, track. That's all things that we would use. And so that one was $6. I believe it's normally $14 or $15. This one is a school one. I love that because I can use this for, my own work. I can use this one. Very cute. I like it. I like the little library. And so it's got all these little icons that I think are super cute. And then late start, no school pictures. So that one was also $6. These little ones are also part of that clearly planned planner line that she has. And these are $3.20. So really good deal. They are a lot smaller. So this is one right here. And this one is called Planner Girl. I just really like the little notebook there. I think it's really cute. Planner Girl. Planner's going to plan. Dream it, plan it, do it. So cute. Like that one. This one is a today's weather. Very fun. Cute. And then this one is today's mood. And of course this would be cute to use as like sentiments and things like that you could use as well. So there's that one. And then we've got this stamp set which I thought was super cute. It's called Sunny Days and it comes with the die and the little rainbow. So I got that one because I really liked how that was a combo one. And that one is, I don't know how much that one is. I want to say that one is $6.80. $6.80. So you get all the stamps that you see here, as well as the dies for the sun, the cloud, and this cute rainbow. And all of this together was $6.80. This one right here is a kite die, which I really like. And this die just by itself was $6.40, which is still a really good deal for a die. You can see how good that deal was for that leather one, $6.40. And then I really liked this fishbowl because, you could put other things in the fishbowl. You could have like a mermaid coming out of the fishbowl, and I have some shark stamps that I think would be really cute. But this is called Roly Poly Fish. And this die was $6.80. So you get your little fish, you get the fish bowl. Super cute. And then this one is called Scribble Flowers. Oh, I forgot a couple of the, clearly plan to do those next. The Scribble Flowers. And so the Scribble Flowers are, they are $6. So these are really cute. I love that. So you got these Scribble Flowers. They remind me a little bit of my die set that I have from Maggie Holmes. You can get a similar look to that Maggie Holmes one. So that's fun. And then here are two more of the little ones. These ones are $3.20. Like I said, I might have a couple of these, but for the price, I mean, they'd be really cute for a giveaway. This one says by appointment. I liked it because it had a little dog for like a vet appointment, which I thought was cute. Doctor appointment, personal, canceled, groceries. Very cute. And then this one is a workout one, and you've got your little cups of water and your weigh-in, and so cute. Okay, and then these, let's see, I think all of them would, no, not all of them. They all have a little bit different price. These are their little bits. So they're this little teeny tiny dies that are normally around $4 to $6. Thereabouts, maybe up to $8. But I do love them. I don't know how I'm going to store them, just on a sheet or magnet sheet or what. But the thing that's really cute about this little witch's hat is it's the perfect size to go on any of your Julie Nutting dolls. It could go on a lot of your little critters that you might have, stamp set critters that you might have, and it might even fit on some of the other Greeting Farm and those types of stamps as well if you wanted to turn them into something Halloween. But this is the witch's hat, was $2. This one is a holly one, which I don't have a holly, especially this. This is nice to fit in sprays and flower arrangements that you might make. And this one was also $2. This is a cute little tiny, teeny, tiny teacup. And I also imagine this would be really cute on tags when you just need like a little something on there. And then the teacups were $2.40. And then I love Vegas. I had to get this. I thought it was really Alice in Wonderland-y too. And it's called Follow Suit. And Follow Suit is $2.40. And you get the heart and spades and all of that. Clubs. Cute little witch. I think she would look really good flying over a moon because she's small enough. And she's $2.40. Cute castle. Now this one was a little bit more because it does have the pieces sort of separate that you can kind of build your castle. And this one was $4. And I'm missing some of my stuff, so I'll have to see if I have it. This one says congratulations. Congrats, I'm sorry. It says congrats. And that one was $3.60. Now, the ones that I don't see here, maybe I left them on the table if I pulled it out to look at. I had a couple more. I had a little frog that was $2.40 and a little carriage that was $2.40. And so altogether, I got free shipping because $75 or more is free shipping. So it was $77.60. And I got quite a bit of goodies here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Playing with a Heart.